Craving authentic Malaysian food and white coffee? Dito kami nagdine sa Old Town White Coffee and true enough, it didn't disappoint. The restaurant has that vintage minimalist vibe na sobrang relaxing and linis din. Marami silang branches pero we dined here at SM Grand Central Branch. Here's what we had. Kaya and butter brown toast has a sweet and salty combo, super generous din sa butter. Hainanese chicken rice, tender yung chicken, light and comforting, complete with soup. Chicken porridge is comforting and homey with big chicken chunks and has a gingery kick. Mi goreng mamak is slightly spicy, savory, parang pad thai na nga yung taste nito but even more flavorful with lots of toppings. Spicy sardines prata, flaky yung prata and paired ito with spicy sardines and may hint ng kalamansi. Lasang ginisang sardines, masarap. Nasi lemak rendang has a rich coconutty taste, full of umami, especially with sambal and all the sides. For their drinks naman, we tried their Moccona Frost. Creamy ito, refreshing, with perfect sweet-bitter balance of coffee. Te o lychee, medyo matapang yung tea flavor nito, fruity and refreshing. Dito sila famous sa Old Town White Coffee which is creamy, smooth, and perfectly balanced. Hindi ako mahilig sa coffee pero this one kaya ko kasi hindi matapang yung coffee or bitter taste. Tetarik is probably my favorite drink kasi lasa siyang winter melon, sobrang sarap. Overall, Old Town White Coffee is the perfect spot if you're looking for authentic Malaysian comfort food. Paired with their iconic white coffee. Good food, cozy vibes, and sulit experience, definitely a must try.